Hello guys, hey, this is Dale Walker. It's been a while. What is today? July 20th 2019. I guess you'd call this part 4. Haven't been working on my bike lately, but just started working on it here last couple weeks. And last time I think I just had templates done. Well, I finally finished the side panels, little fairing lower pieces to close in the bottom fairing and extend the little body work on the side behind the motor to keep the air from getting sucked out of the carburetors. So those turned out pretty sano. What I got to do here is make a little standoff bracket next, maybe on a rear valve cover bolt that's kind of hidden, and then come up here. And these would be probably about 3/4 inch from the gas tank. And then what I'm going to do, I'll give you an idea here. So this little plastic ruler, I'll make some tops that will be TIG welded all along this edge right here, and then tuck underneath the top of the fairing. But they'll be shaped like that, real sano, so they kind of follow the fairing shape, not just some rectangle. And then the fairings are always cockeyed. You can see it tipped up. Well, probably once I get these made, we'll make a little standoff that comes across, maybe rolls over the frame tube right here to the other top bolt, and it will tuck those in. We'll see. But yeah, I'm going to get those kind of tweaked a little bit. So that's the left side. First I did the old poster board templates and fine-tuned them, and then cut these out. And then of course worked on these a couple days. Cutting, sanding, trimming, you know, it's just a by hand thing. And the right side of course is totally different. The body's different over here. It's a whole different shape right there. But I tried to get the gap about 15 millimeters on both sides. It's pretty sano. Got about 1/8 of an inch gap to the top of the clutch arm. I might give that a little bit more, but I don't think it can get into it. This is just a mock-up motor. This isn't the real engine. It's over there covered up. And there's the right side. So that kind of flows down, keeps going. This would be nice, kind of act like not a full air box, but at least get it all trapped underneath there. It's the most I'm going to do. And I finally got the windscreen all cut down. That's a zero gravity for an 88 to 90 GSXR 750 top fairing. That's what this little duplicate AirTech is. It fit like crap. It was way too tall. It was like a big old bubble, so I had to cut it all down. And then we machined, a buddy of mine machined these real nice little standoffs that are they have a step on the back, step. So this is a bigger hole here than the smaller hole through the screen, and countersunk flathead Allens. This part I'd probably be painted silver, so those will blend in and won't look like a frickin' battleship. Anyway, and then I cut the windscreen down. It was hanging way low. I had to do that today, so I had to cut that off. That's a real fun thing without wrecking it. But anyway, that's it for now. I'm going to finish this stuff here and some other little things, and then I'll show you in the next video. All right? Have a great rest of the weekend. See you later. Cheers.